Good morning, my friends. I've got my long nose pliers here that I messed up a while ago. You can see, if you look at the point there, you can see how it moved from side to side. So what happened is I forced it. I took, I think it was a little plate. I took the plate and I tried to bend it, but I forced it so hard so that it do this kind of thing. And now from there on, it have this big play, and it is really, I can't do anything with it. If you, the moment you try to use it, it go make that move there. So I'm going to try and see if I can repair it. And you can see even the cutting edges doesn't come together anymore, and there is a big gap, so the whole thing is skew. And it was a good pliers. I can't see any name on it, but it was a good pliers for me for general work. So let me see what I can do. Okay, let's go and have a look. Okay guys, what you see now, there's 0 play. I tried now on this side to move it from side to side, and there's nothing. I punched it there in the center, and I punched it there in the center, and there's no movement. And then also the cutting edge is damaged, but at least it come together. So I can sharpen some areas there, and there I see it now. I need to bend that a little bit, but it is, you can see there's no play, and it closes nice and straight together. Okay, so I need to fix that quickly. Okay guys, this is one saved long nose pliers. It looks much better. Okay, let us focus here. It's cleaned up a little bit as well. And let's see if it can cut. There's a little small gap, but at least it can cut it, and you can just break it off your hand. You can see there is some damage, and I cannot do anything about that, but at least I can use it again. Okay, gents, thanks for watching this small series or small video of repairing my long nose pliers, so I can use it again. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Bye.